Module 2. Computer Systems and Digital Devices. In this video, we will provide a detailed overview of computer architecture, discuss different types of digital devices, explore various storage media commonly used in computer systems, and specifically focus on flash memory and its unique characteristics. Let's start by gaining a deep understanding of computer architecture and its core components. Computer architecture refers to the structure and organization of a computer system. It involves understanding the different components that work together to process and store data. The central processing unit CPU is the brain of the computer, responsible for executing instructions and performing calculations. It consists of the control unit, arithmetic logic unit (ALU), and registers. The motherboard serves as the main circuit board that connects and allows communication between various components of the computer, such as the CPU, memory, storage, and input/output devices. Random access memory RAM provides temporary storage for data and instructions that the CPU needs to access quickly. It allows for faster data retrieval compared to permanent storage devices. Permanent storage devices, such as hard drives, solid-state drives (SSDs), and flash drives, store data even when the computer is power deficient. They offer larger storage capacities but have different characteristics in terms of speed and durability. Digital devices come in various forms, each serving a specific purpose. Let's take a closer look at the most common types. Desktop computers are stationary devices consisting of a computer case that houses all the necessary components. They offer more power and flexibility, making them suitable for resource-intensive tasks such as gaming or video editing. Laptops are portable computers that provide the convenience of mobility. They typically have all the essential components built into a single unit, including the display, keyboard, trackpad, and battery. Mobile devices, such as smartphones and tablets, have become an integral part of our lives. They offer mobility and connectivity on the go, allowing us to perform a wide range of tasks, from communication and entertainment to productivity and accessing the internet. Now, let's explore the various storage media used in computer systems, considering their characteristics and functionalities. Hard drives, solid-state drives (SSDs), and flash drives are the most common types of storage media. Hard drives are mechanical storage devices that store data magnetically on spinning disks called platters. They use read/write heads to access and manipulate data. Hard drives are known for their high storage capacity, affordability, and widespread use in both desktop and laptop computers. Solid-state drives (SSDs) have gained popularity due to their faster access times and improved durability. Unlike hard drives, SSDs have no moving parts. They use flash memory, a type of non-volatile memory, to store data. SSDs offer faster boot times, quicker file access, and enhanced system responsiveness. Flash drives, also known as USB drives or thumb drives, are small, portable storage devices that connect to computers via USB ports. They use flash memory, similar to SSDs, to store data. Flash drives are widely used for quick data transfers and portable storage needs. What sets flash memory apart from other types of memory is its ability to retain data even when the power is turned off. This non-volatile characteristic makes flash memory ideal for storing data in portable devices such as USB drives and memory cards. Flash memory is also known for its fast read and write speeds, making it a popular choice for applications that require quick data access. Understanding computer architecture, different types of digital devices, and storage media is crucial for anyone working with computers or interested in digital technology. This comprehensive tutorial has provided a detailed overview, including the unique features of flash memory. In the next tutorial, we will delve into computer networks and their significance in today's interconnected world. Thank you for watching. Click on the link below to test your understanding of this module.